Hello everyone. Before start, let me count my notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's set my timer, and now we can start. I cannot believe that only one semester ago I was sitting on your seat, and I know you might be feeling some anxiety or fear of having to speak in public, but let me tell you something. You are not the only one feeling this. According to the National Library of Medicine website published on May 3rd, 2013, 77% of the general population experience fear of public speaking. And for this reason, we are here today to learn how can we succeed in this public speaking class. For this reason, I want to give you first 3 advices that can help you to managing public speaking anxiety. Second, I also want to tell you 3 habits that help me to succeed in this class. And last, I also want to tell you 3 valuable skills that I'm taking from this public speaking class. Let's start with the 3 advices to managing public speaking anxiety. Public anxiety is something real, but this doesn't mean that this need to control you. And this is what helped me. First, you need to think positive. Having a good mindset will help you to succeed in this class because it will help you to understand that we are in a learning process and we are not looking for perfection. We are looking for improvement. The second advice is prepare yourself to speak. Knowing your content will help you to feel more confident and will also make you feel more comfortable with your topic. And the third advice is practice before each presentation. You don't just read your content once or you don't read it on your mind. You need to put everything on practice. This is like setting up your camera, repeating 1, 2, or 3 times is necessary your content in order to feel comfortable while you're speaking. Now that we talk about the 3 advice that I am giving to you to manage anxiety, we're gonna discuss the 3 tips that help me to succeed in this class. Because doing well in this class will take you time, effort, and the right tools. In my experience, you will need to do these 3 things. First is read each module carefully. You don't try to skip module and just going right away to the assignment. You need to read the module with detail because in this module, the teacher, your professor, provide you the tools that you need to succeed in this class, not only in the speech but also in the assignments. The second tip is value your outline. The outline will help you to have more structure. It also works as a map that you can follow through in finding your source, because it will help you to feel more confident because you know what you're saying, and this also will help you to be clear and more organized. And the third tip that helped me to succeed in this class was start early. You don't try to procrastinate in this class. I don't recommend you. Some assignments or the speeches will take you longer in order to be prepared and doing well. So you will also need time to give you some time to plan ahead before each speech, and also to practice a couple times or more to present. Now that we talk about the tips that help me to succeed in this class, I will tell you 3 skills that I'm taking from this class. First is citing sources orally. This is so important because in previous classes I didn't have the opportunity to speak in front of others. And citing sources will help you to increase your credibility and let your audience know that your content is trustworthy. The second skill I'm taking from this class is creating an outline. It's not just a piece of paper, it's something that will help you to have a structure, to be confident in saying your everything that you have to say in order, and it will help you to go through everything that you gotta say. And the third skill that I learned in this class was how to inform or persuade others about something I know and something that I consider important them to know. This is a powerful skill, not just as a student, but this will help you in your life experience. This can be in your work side, or when having a conversation with someone that is knowledgeable about a topic. To conclude, I want to tell you something. This class gave me the confidence to speak in front of others, and I know it can give it this same thing to you. Today, we were here to learn how can we succeed in this class. And for this reason, I give you 3 advices how to manage your anxiety when speaking. I also give you 3 tips that help me to succeed and can help you to succeed too. And the last, I tell you what were those skills I'm taking from this class, not just as a student, but in my personal life. I say thank you to you for listening to me, and I wish you the best.